channel, and now I need to try for Lexmark the serial. This here for the serial. You tap here the driver the look. This why I'm search for official website for you. I'm like a lot for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website. You click here. This one website loading. Uh, scroll down, scroll down. This here for the title, driver and support. Click here for the title. Click here for the title, driver and download. And search by model print. And this here for the model print. This here for the type my operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'm sure for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. You click here. This here for the Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac 13, and this here for Mac 10. And I'm sure for the Mac 12 and this here for Mac 12 driver. Looking here that release, and this here for a new that release support your Mac 12, and this here for the language English for. And I am sure for the Linux, and this here for the Linux version. You click here. This here for the Linux 24, 24, 25, and this here for the Linux version. This here for 13 for the Linux version Fedora. And this here for OpenSUSE, Red Hat, and this here for the Ubuntu, and this here for March support your Linux version. And this video I need download driver for Windows. I'm sure for Windows, and this here for Windows version. You click here, and this here for I need to load the driver for Windows 11, and this here for new version for the Windows, and this here for the Windows 11 support, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 7 support your driver, and this here for Windows 8, Windows 8.1, this here for Windows Server support. And this video I need to load the driver for Windows 11. Select here your Windows 11. This here for the driver for support your Windows 11. And looking here, you see for that release your window your Windows 11, and this is for language English book. And I'm recommendation for you. You download for the package, and this here for another package. This here for package printer driver, and I'm recommendation for you download for universal driver, and this here for all support your driver, and this here for the package printer software, and this here for the printer and scanner only, and this here for printer and scanner only, and this here for the printer package. And I'm not uh, I'm not how to support your scanner and the software and the firmware. And I'm recommendation for you download for the package, and this here for the universal print driver installation package. And you click here for the driver. Click here, and this click here for button start download. This here for you driver download. For you driver download, if you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC, type USB cable printer and press Y. Finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the type automatic here USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time the video.